So Ate Isa, what is your definition of perseverance?
For me, perseverance is a person's ability to see an obstacle as a pushing factor for him or her to do better and be better.
Check on to the next question po. How was your experience so far as a student from Far Eastern University po?
Siguro so far, on my second year of being a Tamaraw, the best word to describe how my school life was and is challenging. Hindi naman maiiwasan yung challenges and yung obstacles sa life in general. Pero I always see it as a challenge and I always see it as an opportunity para mas mag-grow pa ako, not only as a student, pero as a person din.
What obstacles have you encountered during your time as an organization leader and how did you manage to overcome them?
Siguro as a leader, since nagsasabay-sabay lahat usually, yung biggest challenge or yung obstacle na pinakinaharap ko is self-doubt. There will be instances na mararamdaman mo na you're not doing enough and you think someone is better than you for that specific job. Pero the way I see it, lagi ko siyang tinitake as an opportunity na para mas mag-grow pa. Kasi kung ano yung bagay na nakikita kong pagkukulang ko, I always make sure na may gagawin akong action para mapunan yung pagkukulang na yun. And also, siguro through mga kasama ko sa organization, they always validate me and they assure me na I'm doing great and I can always be better.
What is your main motivation that helped you to get through these challenges that you had to face?
Siguro as a leader, the main motivation that I have is the people that I am serving. Kasi lahat naman ng ginagawa ko as a leader, as the president of an organization, is para sa mga estudyante na hinahawakan ko. And kapag nakikita ko na yung ginagawa namin as an organization is nakakatulong sa mga estudyante and somehow yung organization is nagiging place for them to grow and to learn, then enough na yun na motivation for me.
What is your advice to those who might be experiencing the same problems that you have?
So your one advice that I can give is to not dwell on things that you cannot control. Kasi yung obstacles, hindi mo siya makokontrol kung kailan siya darating at kung kailan siya aalis. Pero ang isang bagay na makokontrol mo is kung paano ka magre-react at kung paano ka mag-a-act during those times. And yun yung pinakamahalaga kasi you have to change your mindset. You have to develop a mindset na hindi tumitigil dahil lang may problema. Dapat yung mindset mo, mag-a-act ka lalo kapag may problema kasi gusto mo yung solusyonan, not only para maalis yung problem na yun, pero para ma-develop mo rin yung sarili mo into something or someone better.
Thank you po.